Before we begin, if you sign up through the link in the comments, you can receive a trading fee discount. Today, I will show you the easiest and fastest way to sign up for and use Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange.
How to check if a Binance referral has been applied. First, when signing up, it is highly recommended to apply a referral. This is because you receive a 20% trading fee discount. In addition, there is also a $600 bonus benefit, so not applying it can be considered a loss. The method to check whether it is applied is very simple. If you access Binance through the link I provided, you will see it visually displayed on the left side of the screen. This means that when you access through my link, you receive a 20% trading fee cashback benefit and a $600 bonus benefit. If you see this screen when accessing the link, it means the referral has been applied correctly. If you signed up through a link without a referral, after signing up, if you have no trading history and wait for 6 months, you can manually enter the referral link and receive the benefits. Please keep this in mind. Binance sign-up process. Now, let's return to the main topic and start with the sign-up process. First, enter the email address you will use. Any email is fine, but I recommend using Gmail. This is because trade notifications and deposit withdrawal alerts will be sent to this email. It is more convenient to use an email you check often. After agreeing to the terms of service, you will see the email verification step. Go to your inbox, copy the verification code, and paste it in. If you do not receive the email, be sure to check your spam folder as well. Lastly, you need to set a password. It must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. Once this is done, the sign-up process is complete. KYC verification process. Next is identity verification, which appears immediately. If you do not complete verification, you will face restrictions on deposits, withdrawals, and trading. This step is required to use the exchange normally. You can choose one of 3 types of identification: a national ID card, driver's license, or passport. In this video, I will explain using a national ID card as an example. Next, you will choose the verification method. Please select the file upload method instead of the QR code option. Then upload photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading, you will proceed to real-time facial verification. Align your face with the screen and follow the instructions such as blinking or turning your head left and right. Follow the instructions accordingly. Verification usually takes from 5 minutes up to 1 hour. Once identity verification is completed, we will now move on to spot trading methods. Spot trading. Spot trading is very simple. On the Binance screen, click Trade and then Spot. The spot trading screen will appear. Search for the coin you want to buy and select it. In spot trading, you can choose between limit orders and market orders. There is no fee difference, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. With a market order, enter the quantity and press buy, and the trade will be executed immediately. You can then see the coin in your wallet. Selling works the same way. Enter the quantity and press sell. Futures trading. Now, let's move on to futures trading. From the top menu, click Futures and enter the first futures trading menu. Scroll down slightly, and you will see Transfer. Futures trading uses a separate wallet from spot trading. Therefore, you must transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Set it from spot to futures. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm. The transfer is completed immediately. When you want to withdraw, transfer the funds back to the spot wallet first, then proceed with withdrawal. The default trading pair is usually BTC USDT. You can select any coin you want to trade. For this example, we will use a low-priced coin. First, choose the margin mode. Isolated or cross margin. Isolated margin only uses the funds allocated to that position, making risk management easier. Cross margin uses all available funds, which can affect your entire account if losses occur. For beginners, isolated margin is recommended. Next is leverage setting. The default is 20x, but beginners should start with 2x to 5x or lower. Higher leverage increases profits, but also increases losses and trading fees. Now select the order type, market order or limit order. Market orders execute immediately, but have slightly higher fees. Limit orders allow you to set your desired price and execute when the price is reached. Choose based on market conditions. Finally, choose your position direction. Long positions are used when you expect prices to rise. Short positions are used when you expect prices to fall. Once entered, your position will appear at the bottom of the screen. How to close a trade. When closing a trade, choose between market or limit orders. For limit close, set your desired closing price and quantity. The position will close automatically when the price is reached. Market close exits immediately at the current price. Simply enter the quantity. This allows you to quickly take profits or cut losses. Closing. In this video, we covered referral verification, KYC verification, and futures trading from entry to exit. It may feel complicated at first, but after trying it a few times, You will quickly get used to it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.